Hey everyone, Swag Chef here. Today, on a cold winter day. It's wintry out there. Got a lot of white snow. Now, if you're familiar with Chicago, then you'll know, obviously, the winters are kind of cold. So, today, I have for you the Chicago dog. So, I got a nice toasted bun here. Still sticking always with the all beef pork cased frank. Gives a nice snap to it. If you've been wondering, when I say cased, when you bite into it, kind of bursts away. So right now it's normal. I call this like the Frankenstein dog actually, because it pretty much has a bunch of everything. So I'm going to start it off first with a little bit of lettuce, which is not traditional on the Chicago dog. But I feel like it adds a little bit of freshness to it, a little bit of like a burst of moisture. Then we got the dog. So I have some fresh tomatoes here. Just gonna line them up. I line them on the bottom actually because kind of doesn't get, you don't want a soggy bun when you're eating a hot dog. And this morning I just made some fresh pickles, some fresh sliced pickles. Key ingredient to the Chicago dog. You don't want them too wet. Drip it out a little bit. 2 slices of those right there. Tuck it under the dog. And we're not done yet, trust me. Then I'm going to hit it with a little bit of mustard. A little bit of relish. And yes, it is store-bought. I mean, who really makes their relish from scratch? If you do, then I have mad respect for you. Some fresh onions. Some pepperoncini peppers. I unfortunately don't have celery salt, so I have salt and I have celery seed. And there you go. So this is the Chicago dog. See you next time.